The second I saw the dude pass out, I was like, not this time. I know what to do.
I won't make that mistake again.
Which Tyler didn't have that trauma when he was 10, so I don't think he would have acted the same way I did. Because I've replayed that scenario so many times in my head when I was a little kid.
Are you about to cry? Are you
I
crying
am.
right now?
It's weird. Whenever I yawn, I tear up. I fucking hate it. If this happens to you, please comment. It does.
Oh, it's like a thing.
Yeah.
I'm looking at you. I'm like,
I know.
He's like when I was 10. You know, the car hit the side of the house.
No,
my coach didn't start me.
Now I'm insecure about it.
No. Did this last one, because you were moving pretty fast, that had to be scary. Does that fuck with you at all? Does it change your outlook at all? Do you think a little bit differently after that, or
a little bit? Yeah. I was like, damn, I didn't even hit 100 million subscribers. I don't want to die yet.
Is everything